Phone call conversation. Before we begin, take a moment to learn these key vocabulary words.
Hello?
Hi, Nina. It's Jake.
Jake. Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I am doing great. It is so nice to hear from you.
Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Sure, I have plenty of time. What's up?
Nothing much. I just wanted to catch up and see how you've been.
That sounds great. I miss talking to you.
Me too. It's been a busy week.
Tell me about it. Time goes by so fast.
So, what's new with you these days?
Not much, really. Just the usual work and home.
How's work going?
It is busy, but good. I like my new project.
That's great to hear. Tell me more about it.
I will, but first, tell me about you. What's new?
Well, actually, a lot has happened this week.
Really? Come on, tell me everything.
Okay, let's start with the good news.
I love good news. Go ahead. Okay, so my new project is about a mobile app.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting. What does it do?
It helps people learn new languages every day.
That's awesome. Are you the only person on the team?
No, there are 5 people on the team. We work together every day.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, very much. It is a lot of work, but I love it.
I am really happy for you, Nina.
Thanks, Jake. That means a lot.
When will the app be finished?
We hope to finish it by the end of the year.
That's exciting. I can't wait to try it. So, guess what I did last weekend?
What did you do?
I went hiking with some friends.
No way. Where did you go?
We went to the mountains near the lake.
That sounds beautiful. Was the weather good?
Yeah, it was sunny and warm. Perfect for hiking.
Lucky you. I love hiking too.
You should come with us next time.
I'd love to. Please invite me next time.
I promise. It was a lot of fun.
How long did the hike take?
About 4 hours. We were pretty tired afterward.
I bet, but it sounds totally worth it. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you something.
What is it?
My sister is going to have a baby.
Wow. Congratulations. That's wonderful news.
Thanks. We're all really excited.
When is the baby coming?
In about 3 months.
That's so exciting. Is your sister feeling well?
Yes, she is feeling great. She is very happy.
That's good to hear. Please tell her congratulations from me too.
I will. Thanks, Jake.
Do they know if it is a boy or a girl?
Yes, it is going to be a girl.
That's wonderful. I am sure she will be a great mom. I have some news too.
Oh, what is it?
My parents are visiting me next month.
That's great. How long will they stay?
They will stay for about 10 days.
That's wonderful. I know you have missed them.
Yeah, I really have. I have not seen them in a long time.
I am sure you are excited.
I really am. I cannot wait to see them.
Do you have any plans?
Yeah, I want to show them the new park downtown.
That sounds like a lovely plan. Hey, do you remember our trip to the beach last summer?
Of course. That's one of my favorite memories.
Remember when you lost your sunglasses in the sand?
Oh no. Do not remind me. I looked everywhere for an hour.
And then we found them under your towel the whole time.
I still cannot believe it. That was so funny.
We should plan another beach trip soon.
Absolutely. That would be great.
By the way, have you seen any good movies lately?
Yeah, actually. I watched a new movie last night.
Oh, really? What was it about?
It was about a family that goes on a big adventure.
Sounds fun. Was it good?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. You should watch it too.
Okay, maybe we can watch it together sometime.
I would love that.
Hey, do you want to meet up sometime this week?
Yeah, I would love to. When are you free?
I am free on Thursday evening.
Thursday works for me too.
Great. Should we grab coffee or maybe get dinner?
Let's grab coffee. I know a nice new coffee shop.
Sounds perfect. What time should we meet?
How about 6 o'clock?
6 works perfectly for me.
The coffee shop is called Sunny Corner.
I think I know that place. Is it near the park?
Yep, it is right across from the park.
Perfect. I know exactly where it is.
Great. I will see you there on Thursday at 6.
I will add it to my calendar right now.
Good idea. I do not want to forget either.
Don't worry. I will send you a reminder.
Thanks. I really appreciate that.
By the way, how is the weather over there?
It is pretty warm today. The weather's really nice.
Same here. Perfect weather for a walk.
Yeah, I might go for a walk later.
Sounds like a good idea.
I heard it might rain this weekend, though.
Really? I hope it does not rain on Thursday.
Me too. But we can still meet, even if it rains.
Exactly. We can just sit inside the coffee shop. Oh, did you hear about Tom?
No. What happened?
He got a new job. He is so happy about it.
That's awesome. What kind of job is it?
He just started working as a teacher.
That's perfect for him. He loves helping people.
Exactly. I am really happy for him.
We should call him together sometime.
That's a great idea. Let's do that soon.
Wait, you are breaking up a little.
Hold on a second. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, much better now. I think the signal was bad for a moment.
Great. Let's keep going.
Well, I should probably get going. I have some work to do.
No problem. It was so nice talking to you.
It really was. I had a great time catching up.
Me too. I will see you on Thursday.
Sounds good. See you Thursday at 6. Take care, Nina.
You too. Talk to you later.
Bye.